Hello, my dear students. Today we will take the third lesson of your science book, that is synthetic fiber and plastic. Synthetic fiber and plastic. Synthetic, what does the synthetic fiber? Synthetic means which is made by humans or man-made. Synthetic means man-made. Man-made. And fiber, actually these are the small threads. These are small threads, small threads. And plastic, you know already, actually it is a man-made product, plastic products, etc. How these help in our life, and the importance of fibers and plastic is very important in our lives. With different types, as if different activities, we perform different activities with the help of these fibers and plastic. For example, the clothes we wear, they are actually formed of fabric. They are made of fabric. What is fabric? Fabric, actually it is a piece of cloth. That piece of cloth is stitched or tailored, and then it forms clothes. This fabric it is made of fibers. These fibers, and these fibers, they are small threads. If you tear up the cloth, or if you tear up a fiber piece, you will find some fine thread like structures in it, and these threads are known as fibers. And what is the source of these fibers? Source of these fibers. We can get the fibers from two main sources. Number one is natural source, and another is the man-made source. Natural source, like it is cotton, or you can say plants and animals. And from these sources we obtain cotton, we obtain silk, we obtain wool, etc. And man-made, or you can say synthetic source, or synthetic fibers, or you can say the natural fiber. These are known as natural fibers. We don't have to deal with these natural fibers. We have to deal with the synthetic fibers. That means man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers, or you can say man-made source. These synthetic fibers, what are the synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers, or you can say man-made fibers. What are these synthetic fibers and or you can say man-made fibers? Actually, these synthetic fibers, or you can say, they are formed by human efforts. In the laboratory conditions, and then these fibers, they are usually polymers of different substances or different chemicals. What are polymers of different chemicals? Polymer, it is a Greek word. Which means, poly means many, and mers means parts. It means that If we join small part, this 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 part, it forms a long structure, or longer unit, and this can be a polymer. This can be a polymer, and these are small units. Small units. It is a polymer, and that means polymer is formed of small units. And these synthetic fibers, they are formed of polymers of different substances. If we talk about the synthetic fibers, there are many types of synthetic fibers. Number one, it is rayon, or you can say rayon. It is one type of synthetic fiber. Actually, the silk, which is the animal product made by silkworm, it was discovered in China. It was discovered in China. Due to the qualities of the silk and its products, the texture of the silk cloth is very fine, and it was very beautiful. The products of the silk were very beautiful. But it was costly. The scientists were trying to make the artificial silk, and in late 19th century, scientists made or synthesized artificial silk, because this silk, which was very costly, and due to its qualities, due to its texture, etc. Then these artificial silk was made. How these scientists made the artificial silk? They treated wood pulp, or you can say chemical treatment on wood pulp. They treated chemicals, or you can say wood pulp is treated by chemicals, and with the help of that they synthesized rayon. What are the qualities of the rayon? Number one, qualities of the rayon: it is cheaper. Qualities, if we qualities, or you can say features of the rayon. Number one, it is cheaper than silk. Next, it can be mixed with cotton to form bed sheets. It can be mixed with wool to form carpets. It can be dyed variedly. It can be dyed, that means colored variedly, etc. These are the features of the rayon.